not picked up a camera when it seems like forever. This week in my life is about to be insane. I spontaneously booked a trip to Colombia next week. Everything that I have planned for the course of like, I don't know, like 2 to 3 weeks has been officially smushed into this week, meaning it's going to be the most entertaining vlog ever in my life. There's so many fun things that I'm so looking forward to, and it's gonna be so fun to bring you guys along. Today is Monday and it's going to be a prep day for all that good stuff. So today I'm going to a coffee shop, one of my favorite ones in the city. Unfortunately, I will be gatekeeping this one. For privacy and security reasons, I must do so. Let's meet Chase at the coffee shop and be little girl bosses. Just got back from the coffee shop. It is so hot today. Like, I look like I ran a marathon, to be honest. Like, currently like in my new organization of the room era. In the last video, this was not in existence in my life, and like it is just like major. Like it really just like changed everything. This also wasn't in existence last video. I just got these hay crates in the mail right now, and I'm putting like the shoes that I kind of wear more on rotation here so that I don't have to like climb over my bed every single time I want to get a shoe. So these are more like special occasion shoes, I guess you can say. I'm like really excited to like ring in this new era of room. I feel like I really accomplished my mission of the day, which was to like organize my life. So I'm gonna keep cleaning up while I listen to Dominic Fike in preparation of this week's festivities. So let's do it. I'm just gonna show you what's going on. Look at how rainy. I was gonna go to the coffee shop today, but I think I'm just going to make it a work from home day in my little desk. You know, turn on a candle, make sure the vibes are right so I can get through what we need to get through. I have one client that I'm freelancing for that I have a really important meeting with around like 2. So I'm gonna like work on my emails. I have to do my quarterly taxes and all that good stuff and edit a little bit until that meeting. And then after that meeting, I'm gonna go get the nails done because they are like so grown out. I need like a little refresh. Tonight there's like a rooftop event for like Baskin Robbins, which is like that's so cute. But hopefully the rain stops. I'm going to manifest that as I do my work. So I have a couple packages. This is my break time, so let's do it. Ghani, and this is why I shouldn't be allowed out the house, because I went to the Ghani store and I wanted to buy everything. Glasses collab with this brand called Acetate. Pretty, right? It says Ghani. Oh my god, they're so chic. I love it. Next package is an urban package. Thursday we're going to a ballet class together with Circus. I need like a silk wrap skirt situation, and of course I got distracted on the site and got more things. This was the original purpose. Oh, this is cute. The littlest bow right here. I'm gonna keep on working on my taxes now. Wish me luck on my meeting. I have no footage of the fit because I was literally running so late to get ready because the nails took longer than expected. The Uber reveal of the fit. That's literally it. One clip wonder fit check for TikTok. I'm not even like a huge fan of how it turned out, but I'm like committed to posting my outfit. Let's get the night started. Hello! The gang is all back together. Also, the sun came out, guys. See you in the clouds. We're going to the clouds, ladies. Let's do it. As you can see, we have some exciting packages here. I'll do the most exciting one. Dying to know what's in this big Coach box. Packaging is like so cool. This is so cute. It's currently 8:57. I am going to watch a little bit of Sex and the City with Ari, do my night routine, and then call it an early night because tomorrow is gonna be a very, very long day. We have Dominic Fike at the end of the night. The entire day is going to be a staycation with this brand called MC Wallace. So things are gonna be happening. Now I feel like the vlog is like kicking off. So I will see you tomorrow. Guys, it's literally another cloudy day. It has to clear up for tonight for Dominic. Ready to go to our MC Wallace workout class today. Cute. And then I brought my little swimsuit and change of clothes and computer, like, you know, just in case like that's the vibe. But we're actually doing a rumble class, and I've never done a rumble class in my entire life. I used to do kickboxing when I was like younger, so I'm like excited to get back to my roots and like, you know, like punch my anger away. I took a nap and I touched up my makeup as soon as I got up. I got this. It's wall art for behind me. I'm very excited to open it up before we have to run to the next thing. I've been in New York City for like a year and a couple months now, and I'm like still getting my bearings in. Every day I find something to like buy or that I still need. Like I feel like I've never not moved in. This is one of them. I got it done. They're from Astrid Wilson, I believe. I love her stuff. Excited to hang these up. I don't know how to hang these up. Time to keep going about our day. I literally had 1 hour to get completely ready for the Dominic Fike concert. Let me give you guys a fit check. Top is from Revolve. These pants, Meow. Adidas shoes. This is the star of the show. Today, I am literally cosplaying Rockstar Girlfriend. Hopefully Dominic Fike falls in love with me. But if not, it's okay. Just trying to make sure. Good morning. Oh my gosh, like I don't know how I have so much energy this morning. Literally last night I went to sleep at 2 in the morning. It is 9 in the morning. I'm prepping for ballet class today. So sore from yesterday's rumble class. So I'm like, oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to be my fullest coquette self because of this soreness, but I'm gonna work through it. Today is probably one of the longest days of the week. After our ballet class, we come back, we have a little break, we refresh, do Coachtopia event. Then after that, we are going to the Django, which is a jazz club here at the Moxie Hotel that I've always wanted to go to. My besties Ari and Chase have gone. They say that it's absolutely spectacular, stunning, clean. We are going to celebrate my best friend of all time, Luisa's birthday. She just moved to the city. This is like the climax of the vlog, guys, okay? Slide. I'm ready to go. You're joking, right? I have this little bow, this little wraparound from Aloe, this from Aritzia, Urban, Vera Bradley, socks from Urban, and Uggs. So let's go. How cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready. was life-changing. Like after class, Chase and I went to a coffee shop next door and just like talked about life. Class literally re-energized us and like made our inner child like so happy. Also, I use this new mascara on my lashes. It's the MAC waterproof mascara, MAC Lash Maximizer Primer. I always have an issue with my mascara running, and this is the first mascara in the history of ever that has not caused that. Amazing, amazing. That combo has really worked for me, guys. Literally, we get to keep the makeup because we look stunning. No surprise, have to rush and change out of this and get ready for the next event, which is Coachtopia. So I'm gonna film a little get ready with me for TikTok, so make sure that you stay tuned and see that. We just successfully shot in the middle of Soho. Chase and I coordinated. Thank God we're showing up looking duo-licious to the Coachtopia event. We're about to slay. Okay, hot as fuck. Are you kidding me? Louisa's birthday too. Literally been rotting in bed all morning. Editing. Dude, I am just like full editing mode because at 3 I'm gonna see Barbie. So I have to literally get up all my ads, post all my stuff, submit everything that I have pending before 3. It's actually 12. So I'm gonna keep doing my thing. Literally making the Coachtopia bag my personality trait. All I've done today is rot, edit, and go see Barbie movie. Saw some people on TikTok saying that it was a spiritual experience, and I'm not doubting it. I don't think my body's ready. We're so excited. So ready. Put on my outfit for Louisa's 23rd birthday party. Obviously it's Barbie themed. Ignore the pile of clothing. I just filmed a couple of TikToks and I want to show you guys the accessories that Aldo gifted me from their official collab with Barbie. That's the fit. I'm waiting on Chase to get here so that we can both call the car over to Louisa and debrief because she also saw the Barbie movie today. Chase has arrived. We're debriefing while I am putting a braid to my hair because the ponytail was hurting my head and I'm not trying to get alopecia again. So let me put this down while we debrief Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. People feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of them Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the